guys, my name is Katie, and on today's episode of AFI's DIYs, I'll be showing you how to make a high-foaming window and glass cleaner. This product will have your mirrors, windows, and other glass surfaces looking spotless in no time. If you're looking for the perfect addition for your cleaning product line, you're in the right place. Let's take a look at the recipe. For supplies, you'll need glass mixing bowl, device for stirring, gloves, goggles, pouring pitcher, and a plastic spray bottle to store the product. As far as ingredients go, for 28 ounces of this product, you will need 3 cups or 95.9% of deionized water, 5 milliliters or 0.7% of Amonix LO Special or Amonix LO, 14 milliliters or 1.9% of Bioturge PAS 8S, 5 milliliters or 0.7% of isopropyl alcohol, 1 milliliter or 0.1% of fragrance, 2 milliliters or 0.3% of phenonip. AFI has thousands of amazing fragrances, and there are so many that would be perfect for a product like this. Today, I chose lemon. Wow, this is a perfect blend between light and fresh while still being a strong fragrance. I love it. Because the ingredients for this product are complex and contain chemicals, we need to keep safety on the top of our minds. Don't forget to wear protective gloves and safety goggles as you follow this DIY. While the ingredients for this product are a bit more complex, this process is not. Let's get started. Start by gently pouring the deionized water, followed by Amonix LO. Then add Bioturge PAS 8S, and finally add the isopropyl into your glass mixing bowl. Next, mix until all the ingredients are well combined. As you're mixing in, stir in the preservative and fragrance. To enhance this product, you can also add colorant at this time. Lastly, all you have to do is pour the mixture into your plastic spray bottle using the pouring pitcher. Now your foaming glass and window cleaner is all ready to go. To use, just spray on the glass surface and wipe it clean with a paper towel or cloth. It costs us about $1 to make this product. You can sell it wholesale for $2 to $3 and retail for $5 to $8. If you're on the lookout for more DIY cleaning products, check out our video on how to make floor cleaner. Thanks for watching today's AFI's DIY. We hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. See you guys next time. Bye!